guys! For today's video, we are going to discuss example number 3 on how to evaluate permutation. And we still have this formula. Okay, let's solve for this one. The permutation of 12 taken 2 at a time minus the permutation of 4 taken 2 at a time. So, ang gagawin natin is to solve for this first and then this one, saka tayo magsasubtract. So, let's have first the permutation of 12 taken 2 at a time. So, ang n natin ay 12 at ang r natin ay 2. Having that, we have the formula n factorial. So, 12 factorial divided by the quantity of 12 minus r, which is 2 factorial. Okay, so 12 factorial over what is 12 minus 2? We have 10 factorial. And then we expand. So we have 12 times 11 times 10 factorial na lang dito, ha? Para makancel natin yung 10 factorial sa denominator. Pero pwede nyo pa rin naman yung i-expand. Pero para shortcut, okay na yan. Now, 12 times 11 is 121. So this one is 121. Now, yung second part, we have here the permutation of 4 taken 2 at a time. So ang n natin ay 4. Ang r natin ay 2. So, we have n factorial. So, 4 factorial over 4 minus 2. Quantity yan na nasa loob. Factorial. Now, what is 4 minus 2? You have 2. So, 4 factorial over 2 factorial. And that will be equal to 4 times 3 times 2 factorial over 2 factorial. Para shortcut na, ha? So, you'll have here 4 times 3, 12. So, 121 minus 12 is 109. So, the answer is 109. Ang dali lang, di ba? Now, you try. What will be the answer here? The permutation of 15 taken 3 at a time minus the permutation of 7 taken 3 at a time. Okay, don't forget to follow for more math videos. And remember that sharing is caring. Bye!